So this is a quick overview of our real estate funnel. So at the upfront, you've got the Facebook ads, which look something like this when they come up. So for example, just a very simple advert to give some detail of the property, enough to make it interesting, but enough also to make the prospect want to click through. So when they click through to the real estate funnel, that will take them to the landing page. The landing page will look a lot like one of your website pages, but crucially, it will only have very little options that the customer can do. So the first one will be, something like either reach out to the agent or get details of when open homes are. And the second one, which is the key one to get the leads for sellers, will be to give away some sort of what we're listing here as a lead magnet. So the lead magnet will be something like anything of these type of reports. So 7 big mistakes to avoid when looking to sell your home, 9 things to consider when listing your property. Something that's really going to appeal to the market and really encourage them to give you their contact details so that you can pull them into the marketing funnel. Within the marketing funnel, we then would have an email sequence. So the email sequence goes out to them over a staged basis, with the goal of converting them to eventually a listing for yourselves once they're ready to proceed. We'd also, on the lead magnet, ideally put a VSL, a video sales letter, so just a simple minute-long video of the agent in question to convert or to introduce the prospective customer to the agent and to start the relationship that way.